I can write one book, maybe I can write 2 books, then 3 books, then 4 books. Listen to me, there ain't nothing you can't do. When you handle your business, money will come and chase you. But you gotta be the best person you can be so that you can even be trusted with money and wealth. I'm trying to make my mama proud. Like, that's my girl. I mean, listen to me. I called her the other day. I'm like, yep, mama, how you feeling? She's like, I'm good. I'm so proud of you. I was like, you know what I'm saying? It felt good because I'm like, yo, I know from where we came from. My mama cried too many times. Up at night praying for me too many times, knowing I'm out in these streets. And now you proud of me? You know what I'm saying? Like, you see the work I'm doing now? I'm like, this life. So we do all this talk, yeah, my mama, I love my mama. Yeah, your actions will show it. I promise you, love language. When you get married, you're gonna learn this thing about that love language. Like, you can speak it all day, but you heard the quote, actions speak louder than words. And that's the problem. A lot of us do a whole bunch of this, and we ain't really living it. Then you wonder why you're not reaching the success you're supposed to reach. So with my wife, I can tell my wife, hey girl, I love you. My wife, she bad too. I promise you. And watch this, bro. I tell my wife, hey girl, you know I love you. I can tell her all that long. That don't move my girl. Let me tell you what moved my girl. When I come off the road and I've been traveling, speaking, pouring into people, and I come home and I hit the iron. I wash them dishes. I vacuum the floor. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? I fly in. I'm like, boo, don't worry. I'll pick Jewel up from school. Pick her up from school, do the homework, cook that dinner. I'll be in the kitchen cooking. You know what I'm saying? I do that. Now she like, I know you love me. Before I was doing this talk. Yeah, but let's talk more action. You want to really show your mom you love her? You want to really show your family you love her? Some of you don't live with your folks. Somebody took you in. You was adopted. You got foster parents. Some of you live with aunties and grandmamas and relatives, and you still doing whatever you doing. Like, you want to really show them you love them? Your behavior, like how you respond, how you produce, how you perform in school, that's when you're going to show them how much you love them. So I was just like, yo, everybody who talked negative about me, I'm about to show them they was wrong about me. And everybody who believed in me, I'm about to prove them right. And I'm finna have my mom crying for the rest of her life. She's so doggone proud of me. So did high school, boom. Did college. I said, shoot, if I can do college, maybe I can get my master's. I'm like, why not? Why not push the limit? Why not be a next level student? Why not try to get the absolute best out of me I can get? So I leave you this right here. You make whatever adjustments you need to make. You are smarter than you know. You're more intelligent than you know. You can accomplish so much. Listen to me, when I tell you there ain't nothing you can't do, I ain't just saying that. Like literally, I'm seeing what I've been able to experience in my life, in my short, I can only imagine. I can only imagine what you get done and what you experience. Hey, what's up? I hope you enjoyed today's video, and check this out. You gotta subscribe because I've got so many more videos in store for you. And when they come out, I want them to come directly to you. So click subscribe and let's keep building together.